The engine house. It could go up a little bit there then. Yeah, it's a tanker, isn't it, that? But like I say, there's a ladder that goes down the side of the back of that engine house there. I mean, that's got to be a good 60 feet down that ladder. But I saw, actually, I'll tell you a story about this. I saw a chap down there and he was spitting image of Prince William. And I actually was convinced it was Prince William. He was absolute double of him. Yeah, seriously. Yeah.